A leopard cub goes to hunt a big lizard, and the lizard scares the leopard cub away with its tail.
Leopards hunt a deer, and a hyena comes to snatch their kill. The leopards climb up a tree with the prey. Fast-flowing water nearly swept this tiny elephant baby away. Elephant sweat droplets wave a tiny baby elephant, just days old, slipped into the water and was nearly swept while drinking alongside its family in a turbulent river. The mother's panic was palpable, her heart racing as she would jump into water with her natural instinct to save the baby. This time around, her alone, the rest of the herd could not help, but she did it with determination and wore her baby and saved him. The sigh relief. Incredible. Elephants are truly intelligent pachyderms. Elephant. The chase was on. The cheetah sprinted with unmatched speed, eyes locked on the impala. For a moment, it looked like the impala might escape, until a single slip sent it rolling through the dust. In that heartbeat, the cheetah seized its chance. Raw, real, and breathtaking, this is the rhythm of the wild. Two cheetahs catch a wildebeest, and the wildebeest uses its strength to try to escape, and it manages to survive. A lion catches a zebra from the water and hunts it. Capybaras rank among the most frequent prey in a jaguar's diet, and for good reason. Jaguars are masters of ambush, favoring social, medium-sized animals that gather near water's edge. Capybaras fit this niche perfectly. Weighing 50 to 70 kilograms, they offer a rich energetic reward. But the hunt is far from easy. Cheetah cubs have 18 months to master the art of sprinting at 120 kilometers per hour under their mother's guidance in the savannah. It's a crash course in survival and speed. Warthog today faces double trouble, two predators teaming up against him. Boar high-voltage nature reminds us that in the wild, survival is never guaranteed, and every second is a fight for life. Wild dogs versus hyena. Ice cold sweat smile. This interaction never gets old. Tears of joy. The hyena's dramatic calls always make me laugh. They feel so sorry for themselves in these moments. Almost had it. Even the fastest predator sometimes has an off day. This cheetah gave it their all, but the agile gazelle lived to see another sunrise on the Serengeti plains. A tough lesson in the circle of life. A cheetah explodes into motion, accelerating in seconds as a jackal bolts for its life. Dust clouds rise, hearts race, and the savannah holds its breath. This is nature at full throttle, where split-second decisions determine who eats and who escapes. This is a rare and powerful moment in the wild.
High up in that tree sits the martial eagle, Africa's largest eagle, and look closely, it's feeding on an antelope. This bird is so strong it can lift prey nearly equal to its own weight. It's nature's drama, power, and beauty all in one scene. The race for survival lasts only seconds. Anatomical heart, the rabbit runs with all it has, every leap fueled by hope. But once the cheetah launches its breathtaking charge, nature reveals its ruthless truth. Blinding speed, perfect precision, one strike to the leg ends the chase. In the wild, mercy doesn't exist, only instinct.